DJI made an announcement that is quite confusing. On the one hand, we see a storyline that starts with aerial photography from balloons. On the other hand, a leak indicates a new DJI drone with 3 cameras, and we probably have some pricing information too, but more at the end of the video. Let's first focus on what we know so far and then go back to the DJI story later. Images of a possible Mavic 3 Pro have surfaced online, revealing a drone with 3 Hasselblad cameras for higher quality optical zoom. The Mavic 3 currently offers 6 different payload options across both consumer and enterprise segments. Only the Mavic 3 Thermal has a 3-camera payload, designed primarily for commercial enterprises and public safety agencies. If the leaked photos are accurate, the Mavic 3 Pro could be DJI's first consumer drone with a 3-camera setup. Leaker at Osita LV had previously hinted at the development of such a product, with the drone possibly featuring a 4/3-inch CMOS sensor with a 24mm wide-angle lens, a 1-inch CMOS with 50mm lens, and a 1/2-inch CMOS with a 160mm telephoto lens. But as we see later in this video, it looks like the camera configurations could be slightly different. More leaks followed quickly, with suggestions that the drone could come in multiple configurations, including the Mavic 3 Pro, DJI RC, Mavic 3 Pro, DJI RC Pro, and Mavic 3 Pro Cine Premium Bundle. But maybe the reality is different.
Yeah.
That's all in Chinese, and the automatic translation is not much revealing, but it looks like pricing indicators in Chinese yuan. The drone is available in 2 versions, an 8K version without a lens for $5,400 and a 6K version without a lens for $3,750. Both versions come with 2 batteries included. Additionally, the remote controller for the drone is priced at $1,499. Now it's getting interesting. It seems that the 24mm f2.8 standard wide-angle lens is priced at $1,349, while the 50mm f2.8 lens and the 85mm f2.8 lens are both priced at $1,944 each. DJI Care for the drone body is priced at $374. The TB100 battery and charging hub are both priced at $224 each. A 480G SSD is available for $1,199, and a card reader is priced at $74. Finally, foldable props are available for $74 per pair. These prices are really confusing given the small appearance of DJI Mavic 3 Pro cameras, don't you think? This is probably why DJI shows us an Inspire-like drone for which such high prices would make more sense. But as for the DJI Mavic 3 Pro, details about the specs, more price confirmations, and release date of the Mavic 3 Pro are still awaited, but DJI seems to be expanding its Mavic 3 airframe offerings with this potential new product. What do you think? Any ideas what the new DJI drone will be able to do and how much it will cost?